Hello everyone, welcome to my final presentation of the Linux administration class. As you can see here, this is my uh, final presentation portfolio. As you can see here, this is my logo, s- uh, and this is my introduction. In this final presentation, I presented my script and the script that I have put together in order to complete the assignment, the script that I was proud of to introduce you. As you can see here, the first script is a cluster Linux diagnostic command I put together. The purpose of this script is to make one by launching that was a script file. Uh, we can use we can facilitate on the user to enter to find diagnostic information on his machine, like the network, using NSLOOKUP, route, trace route, all net and network interfaces. Now moving into part two, Linux firewall and security rules, script explanation, and this second script is about the uses of firewall. I mean, the purpose of that script is implemented on uh, giving our machine security, more security, added security uh, by enabling SSH uh, connection on a specific machine using a MAC address, disabling HTTP ports, disabling HTTP ports because they are not secured, uh, disabling uh, TCP, disabling TCP echo and ping request, helping us to avoid DDoS attack and discovering our machine on our network. Funny GIF, I know. And as you can see here, uh, by implementing those rules, our machine will become a little much safer because no one can access SSH privileges on our machine. We need to achieve into, we need to log into that specific MAC address. As you can see here, IP table input MAC A, and those are the rules. When you put sudo IP tables dash l dot dash n, we can see those rules implement over here. Uh, okay, moving on. The third script is about monitoring hidden files on home and all files directory using git function. Uh, Git, for you who doesn't know, is a utility tool, like it works like a more of a safe cartridge. Who instead of uh, putting for every changes you make a save file, uh, putting a lot of storage, uh, putting a lot of stress and tension on your head. We use a Git file. Git file works like a save file. It will save our make a save, like when you play a game and you want to save your progress. You put a save. You put save. This what primarily Git is. Uh, we first add a Git script to our repository. We download a Git script. Uh, we define the directories we want to monitor, home, JSON, and a root directory. And after that, uh, we select we select the hidden files, contain it into the home and root. You can see here, if files are not root, then hidden roots. No hidden files are for the directory. Uh, the script keeps an eye on these files to specific directories, home and root. It looks for files whose names start with dot and it's usually hidden. It uses a version of control system to track changes to the script itself. Each time the script's run, it adds itself to Git records, making it easy to see when it was last checked. It helps it staying aware of changes over time. Running the script regularly ensures ongoing monitor or hidden files, maintaining a log of any script updates. I designed it to primarily look into script logs. You see a camera GIF over here, and of our last script, script number 4, a script to back up your most important information or and your logs. For this, in order to save, for those who don't know file compression, what does file compression works like an algorithm. It works like compressing a file, making us easy to store the file. The compression is form of an algorithm. It facilitates us to by sending file to another destination. It's a long okay. First, we defined a backup directory. Uh, we we ins- we first defined a backup directory. Then we selected the two directories we want to backup. We For me, I decided to backup my user directory and the log directory, auth.log. This is Ubuntu Linux. So if you want to run the script on your command on your machine, I suggest you change the user because those are particularly on my user machine. If you see the program below, automate saving important info and logs on Linux file system is set variable and called backup for the storage spot, making the spot if it's not there, then it saves the home.json folder and the secure log var.log auth. It tells the user about the process via terminal message. After that, put all the files into a single archive and makes the same based on the data and time. It uses tar command to make an archive, then compress using gzip. Lastly, print a message to terminal showing the name and backup is easy to use. As you can see here, when we successfully run the script, we compressed the files. They are compressed, saving us uh, saving us space on the machine. Uh, and after we run the command, we see on our root directory a folder named backup. As we list the content of the backup, we see an auth log and JSON suggesting about our two uh, backup directories. And if we move to our user directory, we see a compressed star.gz file. Compress all the files. Yes. Okay. What was my biggest challenge in this semester? Uh, well, time was a big factor. I mean, I do not have the luxury. I have work. I have other assignment. Yes, time was a big issue on my part. Moment were you most proud of? Well, when we complete an assignment, we get very happy. But yes, when we finish a assignment, we get very happy. We get the urge to finish then the second one. Moments were one thing you would do to improve if you could do this all over again. Well, since I was I don't know much about Linux, but that class helped me uh, to like break the box, break the cage, to discover more about Linux, and I just bought some books to help me uh, to study more about the Linux machine. if I would start again, I will do better than the first time. Yes, I would finish the assignment much quicker because there is an assignment that I could not finish on time. One thing from term you could see yourself using uh, in a job in the future. Well, yes, uh, I've learned much about this class, about commands and scripts and firewalls. Obviously, they will come in handy. I mean, I uh, did you improve things you set to improve since the midterm? Well, yes, like I said, learned much and improved my understanding of the machine better since the beginning. Well, that is my assignment. Let me uh, give for this bonus project. I let you see this my machine over here. This is a NAS machine. As you can see here. This is my NAS machine. This NAS machine is like a network attached system. I use this machine to store my folders, my specific uh, family pictures, programs, because I've heard about the lesson about always saving your data. So this is my machine, as you can see here. Uh, my Synology NAS machine. My Drive 1, Drive 2, Drive 3, Drive 4 are perfect are perfect health. And this don't worry about this stuff. I don't. And this is my uh, dashboard. All right, everyone. Have a good day.